Instagram's app for text updates allows you to share a post with all of your followers. However, if you want to share with a smaller group of people you trust, you can use the close friends list. This lets you choose exactly who sees certain posts, giving you more privacy. Here's how to create and manage your close friend list on Threads. First, open your Threads application, log into your specific account, or log into your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, find the close friends setting. For that, you need to tap on the two lines in the top right corner of your screen. You will see a close friends option over here, but if that option is not available in your threads, there are a few possible reasons that might cause this error. Some features like multiple close friends list or extended audience options are being tested in certain areas for certain accounts. Not everyone gets them at once, so Threads or Instagram sometimes release features gradually. If your account is new, or maybe it's a business or creator account versus personal, or if you've changed your account type. So if you're using an older version of Threads or Instagram, the feature might not be yet supported in that version. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.